Hello and welcome to Plaspack. Today we're going to be looking at what to do with your Christmas tree after the festive period. Our Christmas tree served us well, even with Milo trying to destroy it. Rather than throwing it away, there are things you can do with your Christmas tree. Start with the thickest branches and use a pruning saw to cut them away. I like to use a Japanese pruning saw as they cut into the wood as you draw away from it. Next, using a sharp pair of secateurs, take away all the spindly little branches along the trunk. And then you're left with a bare trunk. And there's a few things you could do with this. The easiest one is to cut it into segments, leave it to dry for a while and use it as firewood. Something I've done in the past is use them as plant supports. The next thing I do is gather up all of the prunings and pop them into an old compost bag. Leave the bag out of sight somewhere behind a shed, say. And within a year it will have rotted down and you'll have a lovely mulch you can use around plants. When you're finished, remember not to leave your tools out in the rain. I have a New Year's resolution about that. A mulch made from your old Christmas tree is best used on plants that prefer acidic conditions like rhododendrons or camellias or this blueberry. All you need to do is take a sharp pair of secateurs and cut the pieces into small bits that you spread around the base of the plant. These will provide valuable nutrients to the plant over the year ahead and also work to suppress weeds. Thank you for watching this video. Please click subscribe and you can keep up to date on all new videos I have.